uThobeka nani uthe makhosi anoke nibonge. Kusho ukuthi uThobeka lana bafethu ukhuluma ngokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs or ama-Kaizer Chiefs fanatics kumele abonge ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukudraw against iMamelodi Sundowns cause it was meant, okay ngiyaparaphrase la, i-Kaizer Chiefs bekungamelanga ibe ne-chance ukuthi iwine igame against iMamelodi Sundowns. You know, this is the very same thing ebulala i-Kaizer Chiefs, abantu ba-celebrate nezinto ekungamelanga bayi-celebrate. And when you watch, if you watch i-Kaizer Chiefs njalo isikhathi esiningi e-stadium, Kaizer Chiefs is just garbage. When you watch their football, it's not progressive, it's just dead. Yabo, like they play badlalela ama-moments, like they play ngama-moments. By expecting maybe moment of brilliance from ama-players, a few fethu udlala ibhola olibonayo nawe ukuthi okay liyaphila. So abantu e-stadium ba-celebrate uPeterson uzobamba ibhola ekungana danger elibuya maybe umuntu bekathi uya-cross or bekathi uyenzani uPeterson alibambe, ama-fans wonke azo-celebrate. So yiyo-ke into engayi-understand-ke mina ukuthi abantu bayalazi ibhola noma bayalithanda. So this is just my conclusion, abantu abalazi ibhola bayalithanda. And the saddest thing ukuthi siba nama-conversations or wonke umuntu une-voice manje yokuthi akhulume ngebhola. Well, I'm not saying ngiyalazi ibhola, but-ke there's no way umuntu ucelebrate ukuthi uPeterson ubamba ibhola basquare ibhola, there's no danger nothing, uzocelebrate la, uzolibamba alale nalo and then abantu bayacelebrate. Kubongwani la, kubonga i-draw against i-Sundowns. I wish nimzwile kule clip yami yokuqala today, Mr. Massive, one of the biggest fans ku-South African football ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and uyali understand ibhola uyalazi makalichaza uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bokuyi-team mayiwina ibhola iyak-attack iyakulanda. I-Kaizer Chiefs iwina ibhola against i-Sundowns yenzani? They don't know what to do with the ball, abazi nokuthi benzeni. Ingakho ekuqaleni ekuseni bengikhuluma nge-creativity, bengikhuluma like ibhola i-midfield ye-Kaizer Chiefs mayizolibamba iba nama-options maybe ayi-3. I-Kaizer Chiefs iyakulanda straight, iyakubonisa pound to pound iyakumatch. Noma-ke ibona ukuthi okay badlala ne-team e-dangerous kakhulu, but-ke banawo ama-players maybe ayi-4 ayakulanda straight. Kaizer Chiefs didn't land ama-Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs, they won the ball, but they would ba-static. Look at their midfielders, baphethe ibhola bazolidlala lana esiswini balibuyisa kuPhili, uPhili alibuyisele kubo, badlala njengama-robot. If uThabiso Munyana akaphili laphana ukushaya laphana ama-runs wakhe asquare amabhola azama ukuforce, i-Kaizer Chiefs ifile. iShabalala akekho, uVilakazi akekho, ubani oba-direct oya laphana phambili? Cause if we expect umlingo kuPhili nje kuphela, i-problem leyo. But kubongwani-ke bafowethu la, kubonga i-draw against i-Sundowns noma kubongwa ibhola. Sometimes i-team iyadlala thola ukuthi ayibanga nenhlanhla yokuthi iwine, but ayidlali i-team. That is why bengikhuluma ngoNdlovu even ekuseni ngithi uNdlovu uyi-superstar. Why ungenile washintsha igame, ungenile waba-direct, akasabanga ukuthatha ama-players on ama-midfield. Mina angazi ngempela ulo ubani uModi une-opportunity enkulu ukugxeka lama-players lawa, kumele siwagxeke ngempela bafethu, kumele siwa-attack ama-player. But-ke ngiyazi ukuthi kune-line between uku-attack ama-player nokwahlukumeza, yabona masehlukumeza abantu-ke lapho inkinga. But-ke if you don't have what it takes, you don't have the bravado persona to play for the biggest team in the history of South African football, don't play football at all. Hamba ku-Golden Arrows, hamba ku-Stellenbosch, oSikhukhune United nama-teams wako-National First Division akhona bafowethu for abantu abanganayo leyo nto lokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, because every pass, every missed opportunity, everything thina soyifakela iyibuko and sokhuluma ngayo. Kubongwani Thobeka, if uyayizwa lento leyo, kubongwani. Kubonga i-draw against i-Sundowns, kubonga ibhola elidlalayo elibhorayo. I think mawulibukela e-TV, manilibukela e-TV ngicabanga ukuthi lingcono manilibukela e-TV, because umuntu obukela ibhola e-TV nomuntu obukela ibhola e-stadium babukela ama-match awu-2 angafani, awafani lama-matches lawa. And ngiyazi njengoba ngisho lento le baningi abantu angeke bayizwe, kukhona umuntu ongeke ayizwe lento le. Unfortunately ngeke nginitolikele lento le ngizama ukuyichaza ukuthi ithini, but abantu baye stadium because bafuna ukubukela ibhola la ngempela. Abantu baye stadium because bafuna kunama-options a-different. uPulemori ubamba yabo le yaPulemori futhi singakhulumi ngaye ngoba ngizothi ngiyamgxeka, ngoba I'm sure abantu bebabukela e-TV abaningi abayibonanga lento le ngizokhuluma ngayo. But celebrate-ani bafowethu, celebrate-ani ama-draws. Ku-right ukuthola i-draw against i-Sundowns kufana ne-win ngoba, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ayisabi i-Sundowns. Njalo mekudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs iyakwazi ukuyilanda i-Sundowns. Aboduba even the last season they showed, or the previous, not the season lesibuya kuyo, 2 seasons back, where they defeated the Mamelodi Sundowns ku-Nedbank Cup. I mean, kuyabonakala ukuthi abayisabi le team le, but-ke if bazodlala fethu ama-complaints ucoach uDa Cruz mangimlalele ukhala ngokuthi i-team inama-injury amaningi. I-team enkulu iba ku-position eyodwa iba nama-best players, like not average players, ama-players above average mhlawumpe awu-3 akwaziyo ukulwela i-sport. If thina ku-Kaizer Chiefs sithi uThabiso Munyane uye kuphela umuntu owazi ukudlala i-right back ku-Kaizer Chiefs, if akudlala uThabiso Munyane i-team ifile, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs akusiyi-team-ke, uDodo we-team. If sothi uSibanibani akekho sokuzoba nenkinga-ke, no, ethimini enkulu akumelanga kube kanjalo, kumele kube ne-replacement. Umuntu ohlele ebhentshini kumele abe close to lo muntu lona odlalayo, nalo omunye mengena uyazi ukuthi uSibanibani ulimele, ngidlala ngoba elimele, ithi ngiyisebenzise le chance le. But abantu bathola ama-opportunities abawasebenzisi lama-chances lawo because bayazi ukuthi ba-guaranteed. Ibhentshi life lonke lonke. Asithi i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngikhulume ama-left back waku-Chiefs ne. Khona i-comment engiyibonile, ithi ngiyibheke le comment le ukuthi ithini. Ubani? uThabo Mnguni uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs inoshinga, inoMarco, ino-Cross, noNkwesa, kanti abantu bafuna ukuthi kube nama-left back ayingakhi ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabona ama-left back esiwashilo, alikho nelilodwa i-left back elidlalayo kuBafana Bafana. Akekho noyedwa umuntu o-confident ukuthi uzobe khona ku-squad seBafana Bafana ezizayo. Meaning that kuleya position ye-left back uCross uyile ku-World Cup, but siyazi well bathe ngingasakhulumi ngayo ukuthi why uCross aye ku-World Cup because ngizoba senkingeni. Isinkwa sami bazosithatha ngoba khona abantu abafuna ukusicontrola ngithi, but it's okay. uCross baqeda ukumconverter uye ku-left centre back, uyi-centre back kahle kahle uCross, because i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna uku-attack-a ngani, babiza ngama-wing back. Nimbonile uModi ukuthi udlala kanjani, ukudefenda but mebephethe ibhola uyakwazi ukuba advance aye phambili. uCross akayiniki leyo nto le i-Kaizer Chiefs. So Cross is not like ubani lo mjita lo Sundowns, u-Aubrey Mudiba. So Cross is not a great modern left back, you cannot rely ku-Cross. uMarco bokuyimistake ukumsign, uyi-player elithembisayo, but uyi-player elithembisa kanjani bafethu una-30 something, come on. uNkwesa badlalisa uFrosler, uNkwesa ukhona but still i-Kaizer Chiefs idlalisa uFrosler. Why? uNkwesa akekho ready, uyi-player elithembisayo na, umfana omncane sikhuluma iqiniso, like akadlali kakhulu ku-professional setup to be honest, so ngeke se-expect i-team ivele imdlalise nje, yabo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs i-left back ayikho kahle kahle, left back position akunabantu lutho, zero. Akekho umuntu ongathi yabona lo uyayizoyilwela i-Kaizer Chiefs siyempini ngaye, akekho. I-team enkulu lena bafethu, akusiyi Golden Arrows le, akusiyi namaZulu. I'm sure amaZulu kuleya position banabantu ababhetha futhi than i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then ku-right back unoSolomons, ucoach uzama ukumdlalisa eziwing aphinde ambuyise ku-right back, sometimes uyamqalisa uSolomons kuThabiso Munyane. Even noSolomons uyawathola uSolomons lama-opportunities la, but uSolomons akathenjwa naye ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu othenjwayo uThabiso Munyane kuphela. Walimala uThabiso Munyane kuleya position leya, izoma kanjani i-Chiefs? So mina la uNkulisoccer, you come to Nkulisoccer because siba nama-real conversations. If nifuna ukuthi sinese ama-feelings bafethu, mina I'm not gonna do that. And ngihlezi ngisho kubantu ukuthi maningi ama-pages ko-TikTok, ko-Facebook, whatever, bazovumelana nga-everything. Abantu babheka nje ukuthi i-team kanje, but okay, ngizokhuluma ngaye kwenye i-clip lo mjida lo, but ngicela ukuzibamba lana kwamanje bafethu ngithi dankoro.